What's up everyone, this is Wolf. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be covering another airdrop in the Cosmos ecosystem. We are talking about the StafiHub. The mainnet is now live, the first cross-chain staking derivatives platform built for developers. So what is this airdrop and how can we claim it? That's everything we will be checking about today on how to claim our airdrop called the FIS token. The second thing we will be looking at is the second airdrop that is coming in the form of a mint drop. So make sure to stay tuned for the full video because I will be sharing step by step on how to put yourself up for this second mint drop. But for the airdrop of today, I will show you how to claim this. And we will also be talking about on how to vote on a governance proposal because for the airdrop of today, we had a requirement to vote on a governance proposal in order to receive the FIS token airdrop. If you didn't do that and you cannot claim the airdrop, do not worry because we will be looking also at the second airdrop, the mint drop, and how to set yourself up so you will receive this airdrop 100% if you watch closely to this video and know what actions to take. And then on the last part, we will take a quick look what is the project about. So we will be checking this video right here. This will explain in a quick 2 minutes what it's about and how this protocol works. So let's get into it right away. First of all, we're gonna claim our airdrop. So what are the details? The snapshot was taken on 24 July 2022. The distribution is a fair drop. We have a Genesis supply of 160 million and the percentage distribution is 0.18%. So it looks there's not going to be dumped a lot on the market of this token. So now let's take a look at the requirements. We can see you have to delegate more than one atom. So you have to stake more than one atom. If you watch this channel, you should already know to stake more than one atom to receive multiple airdrop. As you can see, this one was more than 5 atom. But we're not going to talk about this. We will make an upcoming video about what to do in order to receive the most airdrops in the Cosmos ecosystem because they can make you a lot of money or crypto. So we had 3 eligible groups: testnet validators, participants, and stakers, of course. So the yes voters with small voting power, 1 to 10 atom, for the bringing liquid staking and DeFi to the Cosmos Hub with interchain security proposal. So what does this mean? If we click right here, we go to Kepler. Once we come to Kepler, we click onto Cosmos. And then instead of staking, we click onto governance. And we will see right here, this one, bringing liquid staking and DeFi to the Cosmos Hub with interchain security. I did not vote on that. So if you have voted yes onto this one, you would receive this airdrop. I didn't do that, so I'm not eligible. I will show you. If we click right away here, claim here, this will take us to the page. We just have to connect our wallet, and then we go down, and we will see airdrop eligibility. Sorry, this address is not eligible for the FIS token airdrop. And how does this come? If we click on the airdrop campaign details, and we go to the downside, you will see the eligibility right here. We have the testnet participants and the testnet validators. I'm not doing nothing of this. And the yes voters with small voting powers. So for the stakers, there is no airdrop right now that I'm seeing, but I'm guessing there will be coming more in the future. So as we can see right here, how to claim. We already did this. We went to here. We cannot see this. So for the people who did this or did the testnet, you would be able to claim this one. I'm not eligible. So make sure to check everything. I'm going to click right away here. You can see it will bring us to the same thing. We cannot claim this one. But as I said before in this video, I will be sharing the mint drop. And this one you can set yourself up by taking multiple actions that will guarantee you to receive the airdrop. Because right here you can see testnet validators participants. I was not in this and I was also not voting, what is very stupid of me because I said it before on the channel, always vote onto proposals. But with this one, if you voted no, you would also get no airdrop. So what can we do right now is about this one, nothing. But for the people who did this, I will claim. I will put every link that I use in the description of the video, and try out for yourself if you can claim this one. Multiple people will be able to claim this one and multiple not. But do not worry, we are gonna look at on how we can claim this one in the future. So we will explain that right away. So they are announcing a mint drop. They announced that on 26th August, 2 days ago. So they are announcing it that they are gonna drop 200,000 FIS tokens. And the campaign is with a total pool of 200,000 FIS tokens will be launched on StafiHub to reward liquid staking users for staking Atom and minting our Atom alongside. So how will this work? You will triple your rewards for staking Atom, sharing the 200,000 FIS reward pool by winning 1.35 FIS per staked Atom. So per staked Atom, you will be able to win 135 FIS token. The target EPR of 16.5% generated from StafiHub's smart delegation algorithm and get FIS gas-free airdrop. So now if you can see right here, if you go down, the campaign will last for 3 months and the FIS rewards will be vested linearly over a period of 30 days. You all are welcome to experience the first native liquid staking solutions for Atom stakers and win some FIS rewards. The start time will be in 2 days from here, August 30. So if you want to take action on this and put yourself up for the mint drop, what you have to do is click right over here on this website. I will share every website that I use in the description of the video. So take a look right there. So what can we do right now? We connect our Kepler, connect to cosmosairdrop, connect to StafiHub. All right, confirm. And if we'll take a look right here, so as you can see right here, we will receive 135 FIS per staked Atom. So here we can stake our Atom. I don't have Atom now, but I will just do the max of 0.02. Or you know what? We will just first claim our staking rewards. All right, approve. Yes. Just confirming this into Ledger right away. Approved. So what we just have to do right now is just stake our Atom right here. This is the action we need to take. So you know it, the more Atom you're gonna stake on this liquid staking, the more airdrop you will receive in the FIS token. So that's up to you what you're going to be doing. If you want to know the price, you can see the price right here. We see a price of 33 cents and it comes from $4 to $5. So that's something you have to keep in mind for yourself. Now let's do one. Yes. The Air token app will use the memo to register your receiving address on chain. Please do not edit the memo. All right, understood. Ledger is not supported. Please use the extension wallet. So for me, it will be not possible because I'm using Ledger as a second authentication. So it looks like it's not going to work. No, for me, it's not going to work. So I should make a new wallet address just with the seed phrase and without the Ledger connection. So then I would be able to do this. But now it's not able to do it. But for the people who are not using Ledger and you are able to do it, you can take advantage of this. You know how to do it. It's very easy. So you just come to this page. Every link will be dropped. Just put in your amount. Do this. Connect this with your Stafi address. This will connect from itself. And then you just click onto this and you confirm the transactions. And that's it. And then you will be able to receive this mint drop in the future. And this will take place for 3 months. And the vesting period is 30 days. So yeah, that's all what you need to know about this one. If you have extra questions, just let me know into the comments. Put your thumbs up if you like this. Are you excited for the Cosmos airdrop season? Because we keep getting airdrops. Now let's take a quick look for the people, some fundamentals. What is the Stafi protocol? How does it work? And how are the R token scenarios? So pay attention. Let's go.
The DeFi movement is an emerging breakthrough of blockchain technology that swept through our financial system and made it easy for people to earn interest on their crypto holdings. However, the currently accepting staking model presents issues that are stifling adoption on a large scale. Most staking protocols require users to lock their tokens for a period of time in order to maintain network security. Thus, users are unable to utilize their tokens for liquidity, unable to quickly sell if their tokens lose value, and are subject to the security risk of each token's mainnet. Introducing Stafi. Stafi is the first multi-chain DeFi protocol that's transforming the way that proof-of-stake liquidity works, making it more accessible and profitable for all users. With Stafi, stakers can unlock the full liquidity potential of their staked assets using Stafi's innovative R-token ecosystem. Here's how it works. Let's say a user wants to stake 100 XYZ tokens to earn staking rewards. Before Stafi, he'd have to stake it through the POS chain, which may require specific knowledge of the delegation and reward distribution rules, along with an annoying unbonded period of 21 days. Now it's possible to stake those XYZ tokens through Stafi. Then Stafi's R-token contract automatically chooses the best validators to generate maximized staking rewards. He will then obtain an equivalent value of RXYZ token, which is a voucher token that represents the staked 100 XYZ and corresponding staking rewards. From there, stakers can trade their RXYZ tokens on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, or use them as collateral in Stafi's lending protocol to gain liquidity. Stafi users can stake any POS token and mint R tokens to trade, lend, or borrow in the Stafi ecosystem. Unlike regular staking, RXYZ has no lock period, yet keeps generating returns. With the integration of Curve, Uniswap, Yearn, Convex, Pancake, QuickSwap, ImToken, and others, Stafi's fast-growing R-token ecosystem is poised to revolutionize the way people can benefit from their staked assets. Visit stafi.io today to learn more.
So this was it. If you want to learn more, you know what to do. Visit stafi.io. That's it. If you have any extra questions, let me know in the comments. Let me know which airdrops are you excited for. And can you claim this airdrop? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. Is there any airdrop that I should be looking at or covering on this channel? Also let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, put on your notifications, and I will see you into the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Hey, you. Don't forget to use your governance proposal. Make sure in time, check this, and vote. How do you do this? Very simple. I'm going to show you very quick. Click onto this. What do we do now? You see vote yes, vote this, abstain. All right, no problem. Vote. Yes, confirm. Confirming into ledger. Approve. And why are we doing this? Because we can miss potential airdrops. As you can see, I'm missing this airdrop of today that I'm covering because I didn't vote on the governance proposal. So I'm showing it to you really quick on the end of the video. That was it. Transaction successful. See you into the next one. Bye-bye.